Yeah, we're recording, Mom.
There's a hot day, so
FYI.
lemonade.
Camera's on.
Oh, I'll drink my lemonade while waiting in line at Space Mountain. Nope. When the Disney employee stopped me, he said I can't take free, drinks anytime for Space Mountain. So I stood there talking to her. She found out really quickly I'm a good woman. And she started telling me about art and stuff, like the underground things. And when I finished my lemonade, she says, would you like to see the control room for Space Mountain? I said, absolutely. So she took me through an alternate route to get to that, so I could bypass the entire line. And then they took me into the control room, showed me everything.
Good.
It was run on a fax system.
Saw it coming, couldn't block it.
1970s technology. But very stable, incredibly stable. These things never crash.
Sorry.
And so there's like 2 tracks, 10 miles long, all this kind of stuff. I got cameras everywhere. You're in the dark, they can see you. So I was in there for like an hour talking to them about all the tech stuff. And they say, oh, okay, you ready for your ride? I'm like, sure. So I got to the head of the line, and since I knew where the cameras were, I stayed.
Good.
So I come back, tell my family about it, and they're like,
One more? Yeah, thanks.
it's like, hey, you were invited. You didn't want to come. It's your damn fault.
Oh, sorry.
Well, my sister hated me because
Sorry about
first
that.
off, I was living in Sacramento, and the flight to Orlando would have cost like $900. And that was and one of my coworkers
Thanks, man. That was really good aggression that first set.
Thank you.
So I'm
Very
talking
good.
to the airline, and I said, do you have to fly to Orlando?
You got a fight lined up, Mikey?
For you to fly in